Hello everybody, my name is Madhu and this is the first channel I'm making for all of you today. And I would like to name my channel as Stylish Honey. What do you think? The reason I decided to make a channel for you is because I just returned from office and I received a lot of compliments on my dress today and my makeup and everything. So I thought of sharing it with you. Please do let me know in your comment section how you like it. Let me just quickly show you the dress which I'm wearing and let's talk about it a little more. So this is a asymmetric kurti along with short palazzo pants I'm wearing, which I believe it's giving a very pretty fusion look with Indian ethnic and Western wear. Indo-Western outfit, I think that's what they call. So what do you think? So if you like my look, then please continue watching because I'm going to talk a lot about the kurti I'm wearing, the palazzo pants, the jewelry and my makeup. Okay, so let's get started. Regarding the kurti, I got this kurti from Flipkart for 400 rupees when I bought it, and it has this stones button on it and it is asymmetric, and then it didn't had this tie on it. I stitched it myself. The reason I did that is because I believe I have a hourglass figure and I wanted to highlight my best parts, so I kind of little bit attached this, so as you can see it gives little bit of curve to my body. And regarding the pants, I got it from US when I was studying there. These are short palazzo pants and I think it's going pretty well with this asymmetric kurti. It's creating a beautiful fusion look. Fusion look is something which is like, Indo ethnic and Western look. So I think it's giving a very pretty fusion look. And then I wore this shoes with a pencil heel which I got it from US again. And then regarding my makeup, I usually don't wear eyeliners, but because I was making this video for the first time for all of you and I wanted to look pretty, so I applied this black and silver eyeliner. I usually don't wear it to office. On very rare occasion I put eyeliner, and not this big. I just put it till my eye. I don't stretch it along. So if do let me know if you want me to make a video on this eyeliner, how I did that. And then moving on, but usually I don't wear eyeliners at all. Then moving on, regarding the skin, by God's grace I have very good skin. I'm thankful to God for that. um, I just recently started getting one or two pimples, but that's fine. But usually my skin is very clear and very pretty. Thanks to God for that. And what I apply on it is this White Glow Lotus Herbal Cream. And then I recently started applying this Fair and Lovely because it has lot of vitamins in it and it's good for your skin. And then I do wear this powder all the time because powder is actually good for your skin. It absorbs the sweat and dust, and it also forms a thin layer which protects from UV rays. That's what I believe. So I always apply powder whenever I go out. And very rarely, very rarely, if I want to look something special, then I put little bit of touch up of this L'Oreal Paris Mineral True Match. And that's it. That is all what I do. But I do wear lipsticks a lot. I have a lot of collections of lipstick from pink, but I don't wear dark colors. It doesn't suit my skin. I'm a whitish complexion girl, and I think red, pink, and little bit of burgundy lipstick and purplish, like with pink tint on it. Those kind of lipsticks suits me. I never try to wear black or really dark lipstick like Rekha does. I don't like that look. I like my lips either pink or red, or very few of different other colors. So that is about my lipstick. And regarding jewelry, after returning from US, I realized that in India, this silver antioxide jewelry, I don't know, whatever it is called, the silver jewelry is in so much in fashion nowadays. So I bought couple of silver jewelry from online and from nearby bangle store. So this one I got it from Flipkart. I got this necklace along with these chan balis for around 350, 350 or 250. I don't remember. I think it was 250. Yeah. So I got this as a pair, but I didn't wore these to office because these chan balis are looking too heavy. I'll just wear it and show it to you. It literally touches my shoulder, which I think is not good for office wear. So see this. See, it's literally touching my shoulder, and I think I'm looking like a Kashmiri girl, which is not good. So I wanted to wear a small silver jewelry, but I don't have lot of them. The smallest one I found is this one, and I thought because it also have these hangings on it, it will go well with the necklace I'm wearing. So I paired these jhumkis along with the necklace, because it is said that if you're wearing a heavy necklace, then go for small earrings, and if you're wearing big earrings, then don't wear anything in your neck. So I wanted to wear this necklace because you see I'm wearing black shirt, so I think that this silver necklace would highlight well on my black kurti. So that is all about my necklace. And I wanted to mention something about my lipstick. I was on a lookout to buy a really good red lipstick because I'm out of it, and red suits my skin a lot. So I checked lot of YouTube channels, Google links, and everything, and everybody suggested me to buy this MAC Ruby Woo. But after buying, I didn't like it. The reason is I have a dry skin and dry lips. And this lipstick is making my lips more dry. So before going to office, I did apply the lip balm and then applied the lipstick. But after 1 or 2 hours, I realized that my lips are cracking off, which I didn't like, which is not good. So I would suggest, but the color is very pretty though, isn't it? I really love the color, but it's drying me out very much. So I would suggest, if you're planning to buy MAC Ruby Woo, the color is very pretty. It definitely suits Indian skins. But if you want to buy it, then you have to keep it with you all the time along with the lip balm. So if you think that your lips are drying out, then just quickly go to washroom and apply some lip balm or moisturizer on your lips, and then apply this Ruby Woo MAC lipstick, and you're all set. It's a very pretty color. I like it, but it's drying me out. Though, so that is about my lipstick, my earrings, and necklace. And so that's all about me. I hope you liked my channel. Please do comment, and do let me know how was my look. And if you want me to make any more videos on any specific things, I would be more than happy to do it for you. I like to be social, and I would like to get a lot of your comments. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Hope to talk to you pretty soon. Love you all. Mwah.